everyone, welcome to day 18 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. My name is Chris O'Neill and I'm so glad you're here like always. So yesterday we got the mug, which I absolutely love. I'm valuing that at $12 just because that's about the average price of mugs like that. I know it's a really nice mug. I know I'm probably going to get grief from this, but that's what I'm going to say because I think it's a fair price. All right, so let's take a look at day 18. And I have no idea what this is. So let's open it up. Oh, okay. All right. So we got a tweet yourself purse. It's a duck purse. This duck, it haunts me, okay? Okay, come on. Maybe for a kid, if I had a grandchild, I would like this. But come on, why would we want this? Missouri Star, why? It looks like it is leather. It's from Leatherworks, hometownleatherworks.com. I love that they support small businesses. It's just, why would I want this little duck thing? All right, I don't love this one. I'm not going to love them all. Overall, I'm super happy with where we're at with the mug. That brings our total up to $231. That's $51 over what I paid for this. So, hey, I'm not going to love them all. Of course, I will finish this and make it a little purse, and I'll show you. And I'll let you know about it, but it's just not my thing. But, hey, somebody out there I'm sure loves them. That's what makes the world go round, right? We all like different things. Okay, so let's take a guess at what day 19 is. I'm gonna move on. Okay, so we got this. There is a rip. I don't wanna show you that because I know some of you are opening them. I am not gonna peek inside, but there is a rip in mine. I'm just gonna hold it like that. Okay, it's a spiral. There's a spiral part over here. So I don't know if it's like a notebook, very hard. There's some lumps on the front. I have no idea what this is other than maybe a notebook, maybe? I don't know, we'll have to see tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew and I'll see you real soon. Bye.